Hey, welcome back. We've learned how to write a function, call a function, and make use of it. Now, any function can do two main things. It either prints a value or returns a value. Printing a value inside the function is something we already saw. In this video, we'll explore what it means to return a value. Let's look at this code here. We have a function named calculateSum. Inside the function, we add two numbers and print the sum. Now, instead of printing the value, let's return the value. When we say a function returns a value, it means it sends back the value to the place where the function was called. Okay, now the function has returned the value. So we need to make use of it. There are two things you can do. Either you can print this value directly or store this value inside a variable. So we can wrap the function call inside a print like this to print the value returned by the function. Another way is to store the returned value inside a function. So here sum will store the value returned by calculateSum, and we can print this variable to check the value returned. So using a return lets you use the value in other parts of your program. So in this example, the result that the function returned is stored inside the variable sum, right? This sum variable can be used anywhere in the code. Thank you.